Hey traders, Mike from MS100 here with you. Sitting at my computer tonight looking through some stocks. I saw some nice setups. I'm not going to post these on the site, but I am going to make this watch list video. Come take a look at them yourself. Pretty much most of these setups are gold or silver stocks, and I really think you guys might like these. A lot of nice patterns showing up here, so let's get started. Alright, this is the first setup I am taking a look at. Right here we have NEM, Newmont Mining. We have a nice inverted head shoulders pattern here forming on the daily chart. Right now we are up against resistance here at the 200 period simple day moving average, which is at 42.45. A breakout of this moving average and this neckline here on the head shoulders pattern is going to send this one higher. It looks like we should be going to around 45.60 and then up to this 48 level after. I'm loving the stochastics here, how we had a nice little pullback and a retracement here on the chart, and now how we just started to cross and we're getting another push up. We had some resistance here today at this 200, but I think if we get the gold market to move up, this one's going to move up higher with it. This next one here, we have IAG, I Am Gold, and yet another gold company. We're kind of up here near the highs. The highs are around 1140, I think 1145. We have a nice little inverted head shoulders pattern here also with an upsloping trend line and a downsloping trend line here, creating a nice little wedge pattern on this chart. I think we're poised to break out pretty soon on this one, and I do think the move's going to be higher. I do like how we pulled back here on the stochastics. I think we're going to get another cross and a push up through this trend line here into new highs, just like as we saw the stochastics in the last one, NEM, how they just started to cross up and we're getting a push up. I think we're going to see that one happen here. Here we are, yet another gold company, NGD, another inverted head shoulders here at the top of a move. We had the neckline here that we did break out of today, and I do think we are going to get another push up. We have this upsloping trend line here that's going to act as support, along with this neckline, which will also act as support. Again, we're seeing the stochastics pull back, and now we're starting to push into the overbought area here. I think all these stocks are decent buys with this bottoming pattern forming in them, and I actually have a few more for you, so let's get to those. Here we are again, yet another inverted head shoulders pattern here on GG Gold Corp. Shoulder, head, shoulder, uptrend line, neckline, poised to break out of this neckline and come back and make new highs. Same thing again, we had the stochastics pull back, cross, looking to move back in the overbought here. I think if gold goes up, this one will also. Here we are yet again, GOLD, Rand Gold, inverted head shoulders pattern, nice symmetrical triangle here, coming up to the top of this symmetrical triangle. We are on the daily chart yet again. We do have this 50 period moving average here as resistance on the upside along with this trend line. We had a nice pullback in the stochastics. They have crossed. The MACD is going to go positive, and the RSI here is pushing up. If we break through this trend line, I think we go ahead and test it around the 72 level on this one. Okay, and here we are, GOLD, the Spider Gold Trust. I just want to show you all these inverted head shoulders patterns that I am seeing in here. Hold on one second and I'll get right to it. Okay, sorry, I just had to put in another head and shoulders. So let's go back to last year. We had the inverted head shoulders, and yet we failed again. Then we had another inverted head shoulders here, yet we failed again at that area. Now we currently, coming into March of this year, have an inverted head shoulders here again, and are we going to fail? Now look at the long-term chart. We have a large inverted head shoulders, as you can see here with these pink lines, shoulder, head, shoulders. Now we're coming up to test this neckline pretty soon. Are we going to fail? That is the question. You see this long-term uptrending line here. We have a support, so we're making a symmetrical triangle, and we're going to look for this red line up here, this red neckline, to actually be broken. Now as I zoom in here on the daily chart, look at this. What? Yet again, another shoulder, head, shoulder, another inverted head shoulders. We broke out of this current inverted head shoulders here, neckline. We came back and retested it today. I do expect us to move up and test this larger neckline here on this inverted head shoulders, and if we do break out, head a lot higher in the gold market. All these gold stocks look poised to move. Other than that, traders, that's it. Come check us out at the site.